morning to all my students. In part 2, we discussed about Jallianwala Bagh, Rowlatt Act, Kheda Satyagraha. Now moving towards part 3. In this part, we are going to discuss about Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement. Now let us begin with this part 3 of chapter 7, following the Mahatma, part 1. Khilafat movement. After attending victory in the World War I, the Allied nations signed a treaty with Turkey, which was defeated. The term and condition of this treaty was strict and unjust to Turkey. The Sultan of Turkey was a religious head of Islam too. As per the treaty, his Khilafat, the post of Khalifa, was to be terminated, and Muslims all over the world, including India, launched protest in favor of Khalifa. See, this movement in India was known as Khilafat movement, and the main leaders of Khilafat movement were Ali brothers, that is Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali. Gandhiji decided to support the Khilafat movement and in turn joined the Muslim in protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. His intention was to demand Swaraj and with the combined power of the Hindu and Muslim communities. See, why did the Khilafat movement start in India? See, the allied nation were there, they victorious in the First World War, and that Turkey, they had joined hands with Germany and been defeated in the war. So what happened? The allied nation, they signed a treaty with Turkey, and England was also a part of this treaty. And see, the condition of this treaty was unfair to the Turks, and at that time the Sultan of Turkey was a religious head of Islam. And what happened? According to the treaty, the Turk Sultan, he titled of Khalifa, was cancelled, and under the leadership of these two brothers, Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali, Indian Muslim, they started Khilafat movement to protest against this treaty. See, during this, the Turkey, they joined German side, and so when the England won, the Turkey of the treaty that was made had many firms and unjust terms and condition for losing side. So that's why the Sultan of Turkey at that time was Khalifa, the head of Muslim, and the movement of India to oppose the strict term imposed on Turkey and the Sultan came to be known as Khilafat movement. That was Ali brothers, Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali were the chief leaders of the movement. See, Gandhiji requested the Congress to support the movement, keeping Hindu-Muslim unity in mind, and the movement became severe with the Congress support. So that was about Khilafat movement. Non-cooperation movement, that in the year 1920 to 22. In his famous book Hind Swarajya in the year 1909, Gandhiji said that the British rule could be established in India due to the cooperation of Indians, and it ran with their support only. If the Indians would withdraw their support and cooperation, the British rule would end within a year and Swarajya would be established. See, in the non-cooperation movement, the Nagpur conference that gave the approval for the non-cooperation movement in the December 1920, and now the Congress made a strong demand for independence of India, that is Swarajya, instead of self-government, that is Swashasan, under the rule of the British Empire. And see, in this famous book of Hind Swaraj, that is in the year 1909, Gandhiji, he said to the British rule that the British rule could be established in India. Why? Due to the cooperation of Indians, and also it can run with their support also. And if the Indians would withdraw, if the Indian will withdraw their support and cooperation, this this rule, they would end within the year only, and Swarajya would be established. In this way, the Swarajya can be established. Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement on the same line of thoughts. The main two features of the non-cooperation movement was, see what Gandhiji, he started non-cooperation movement with the same line of his thought of non-violence and on the path of truth. And the two main features, what were the two main features of non-cooperation movement? First was the complete boycott of government jobs, legislative council, government educational institutions and British titles of honor, foreign clothes and goods. See, all these things was the first boycott, to boycott this all thing, complete boycott. And the other creative aspect include the eradications of untouchability, communalism, and consumption of alcohol. All these things was the second. And also he advocated the propagation of Swadeshi goods. See, he said to buy Swadeshi good, Khadi, and national education alongside, to have a national education and to use Khadi product. And see, Gandhiji also started the non-cooperation movement by returning the title of Kesari Hind. See, he also returning what with the title? With the title of Kesari Hind. And the movement picked up, in this the movement picked up the momentum, what in the year which 1921 to 22. See, in this what happened, the students left the schools and colleges. Many leaders like Motilal Nehru, C. Gopalachari and Asaf Ali, they all left their advocacy, and most of the elected members were there who were in the legislative councils and local self-government, also in the local self-government institution. They also started resigning their post. And what happened? He and the foreign clothes, they all were burned across the nation. See, and this the charkha, the spinning wheel that we say, it started taking place in every home. In each and every home there was spinning wheel to form the khadi. Charkha was there, and Swadeshi was promoted. In this way the Swadeshi was promoted everywhere. And see, many national education institutions like Kashi Vidyapit, Bihar Vidyapit, Jamia Millia Islamia, Gujarat Vidyapit, etc. They all were established. And see, Mahatma Gandhi, he was against a violent movement, we all know. And a crowd of angry farmers of Gorakhpur district in Uttar Pradesh attacked Chora Chauri Chora police station in the year 1922, and this became the police has to fire on the crowd, killing few and injuring many. So this police station was set ablaze, and 22 policemen, they were burnt in this incident. That was the Chauri Chora incident. See, when we talk about the constructive aspect of non-compression movement, was that in the positive aspect of the movement was Hindu-Muslim unity to be strengthened, and intenses of using Swadeshi articles, revivals of spinning wheels in every house, collection of 1 crore rupees for Tilak Swarajya Fund, abolitions of untouchability, national education prohibition, etc. And when we see about the negative aspects, were that consists of giving up government jobs, government schools, colleges, boycott legislatures, resign from government courts, local self-government, boycott foreign clothes and other articles, government functions, titles, etc. These were the negative aspect of it. See, the programs for non-cooperation movement which were there. See, in the beginning of the movement, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, they surrendered their titles. That was Kesare Hind and knighthood honor, that was respectively, we discussed earlier. And other leaders of the nation also gave up their titles and positions. Students, they left English schools and colleges. And what happened at the various places, foreign clothes, they were set on fire. When Duke of Connaught, they came to India, he was boycotted, that in the year 1921 November, and the ceremonies of honoring Prince of Wales was boycotted. And such incident created considerably national excitement. And see, on the other hand, when we talk national schools and colleges, they were established like Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Millia, Gujarat Vidyapits, etc. And due to this vigorous propaganda for Swadeshi goods, the import of clothes, footwear, luxurious item that was from the England, that all the things was reduced drastically. And see, this reaction rattled the British Parliament, and the government was shocked by this kind of huge economic loss of England. And see, when we talk more than that, 1 crore rupees was collected in the Tilak Fund. On many occasions, the Hindu Muslim emerged predominantly, and the Mopla revolt, that is Malabar, that was between the Hindu landlord and the Muslim peasant, deserves criticism, and it was suppressed by the British army. So that was about this. And when we talk about that the Mahatma Gandhi, he was against all these things, against the non-violence movement, and a crowd of angry. And what happened? The angry farmers, all the angry farmer who were there, the angry farmers that was from the Gorakhpur district, they attacked Chauri Chaura police station in the year 1922, and they became the police. They had fired at the crowd. They were killing few and injuries many, and the police station was set ablaze, and how many? 22 policemen, they were burnt alive in this incident. And see, here in the picture you can see the site of the tragedy that took place in the Chauri Chaura incident. See, due to this attack, what happened? Due to this attack of violence, Gandhiji withdrew. He withdrew the non-cooperation movement immediately because of this. And after calling of the non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji focused on constructive activities. See, after calling of this all non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji, he forced on constructive activities which were in the remote rural areas, where it was in the remote rural areas. And the social reforms propagated in the middle of the 20th century, they all helped Gandhiji how to earn more trust and have faith on people. They took the faith of people, and Gandhian ideas, the Gandhiji gave all the ideas, they were known as Gandhian ideas. They started uniting the people, and see, from the different walks of life, they started uniting the people and becoming one. See, other two major development of this periods are establishment of Indian Communist Party, which was that Indian Communist Party, and RSS, that is called as Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. See, this party envisioned the future of India in quite a different way. So, to know about this social, political, economic view, see, when we discuss that, see, communism is a political and economic system that seek to create a classless society in which the major means of production, such as mines and factories, they are owned and controlled by the public. And see, the Communist Party of India was established in the year 1921, but socialism as an ideology, they gained a national wide appeal after it was engrossed by leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru. That was about Communist Party. And when we talk about Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, that was organization founded in 1925 by Keshav Baliram Hedgewar. He was a physician from Maharashtra. And see, the organization, this organization RSS, the organization that promotes the ideas of upholding the Indian culture and the values of the civil society, and also to spread in this way, to spread the ideology of Hindutva, to strengthen the Hindu community. And in this way, the Hindu community was strengthened, and it drew initial inspiration from where? From the Europeans right wings group during the World War II. That was all about RSS and Communist Party. See, now things to be known, that is impression of Gandhiji on the minds of people. See, what was the impression? What was the impression of Gandhiji in the minds of people? What was it? When we first one is the workers of tea gardens in Assam shouted slogan Gandhi Maharaja ki Jai and demanded the permission to visit their villages. See, the workers who were from in the Assam, from the tea garden, they shouted a slogan. What was the slogan? Gandhi Maharaja ki Jai. And they also demanded the permission to visit their village. And the second, in many Vaishnav songs of Assam, this is Vaishnav song which was in the Assam, Gandhi Raj. That Gandhi Raj is mentioned instead of Shri Krishna. And the third thing is the princely states of India too were highly influenced by Gandhiji. And the Maharaja of Gondal was one of among such kings. See, they were influenced by Gandhiji. And Sri Bhagwat Singh Ji emphasized on constructive works, girls' education, and made a primary education compulsory in that way. He also patronized the making of Gujarati dictionary, that is Bhagavad Gomandal, that was also patronized, and the making of this Gujarati dictionary, that was all about the impression of Gandhiji that was in the mind of people. I hope you all have understood till here. Thank you for listening.